Hello everyone. In this lecture we will study how to create a transaction code for those tables which are maintained with the help of transaction code SM30. Rather than going for transaction code SM30, passing the name of the table, then click on the maintain button, we can create a transaction code and you can directly maintain the table. So I am moving on to transaction code SC93, which is the transaction code for creating a user defined transaction code. Now suppose I am passing the name of the transaction code, suppose ZT employee suppose. Now if I click on this create button, I am running the short description, suppose transaction code. In this case I have to go for fifth radio button, transaction with parameters. I will click on this OK button. Now for table maintenance generator, my transaction code is SM30. Now I am checking these three check boxes. Now from the F4 I am selecting view name, and in this view name I am passing the name of the table, Z employee table underscore 27. I am creating a table maintenance generator for this table. So I am saving this. I am saving this as a local object. Now if I am running this T code ZT employee, if I am pressing enter, now see I am directly moving on to transaction code SM30. The table name is appearing and I have to click on this maintain button. Now if you don't want to click on this maintain button and you directly move on to the inner screen of SM30, then we have the option for skipping the initial screen also. Suppose now I am moving on to transaction code SC93. I am going for change mode of the transaction code. Now I am skipping the initial screen and I want to directly move on to inner screen of SM30. So you have to pass the code for maintain button. Now from the F4 I am selecting this maintain. I am going for this. I will click on this add button, going for F4 help. I will go for update and I am pressing update, passing update to X. Now what is the meaning of this sentence? It means maintain button will automatically ticked and you are inside the inner screen of SM30. Now if I am saving this, now if I am running the transaction code, now I am directly onto the inner screen of SM30. Now if you want to only display the entries of SM30, so what you have to do, you have to go for transaction code SA93, going for the change mode. Rather than going for update, pass show is equal to X. Now save this. Now if I am running this, now this table is displayed in now display mode. So this is the process by which you can create a transaction code for the tables. Rather than going for SM30, passing the table name, click on the maintain button, you can directly move on to the inner screen of SM30 and you can directly maintain the data. So this is all about this transaction code. Thank you.